Hi there, here's a quick video showing you how to add apps as a resource into your Schoology courses. Apps would be things like your Google Drive account and how to connect it to your Schoology environment so you can select Google documentation to submit to the teacher and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is I've logged into Schoology. I'm going to click on my resources at the top here. Okay, so the resource tab. I will open the resource tab, and on the left hand side here I see apps. I need to click on the apps. I will be asked to agree to this, so to share information outside of Schoology. I agree, yes please, thanks very much. And I wish to add Google Drive resource app. Install the drive, and as you can see here the app will be added. Okay, at this point we can approve the app. And in this environment it's accessed Schoology, so I can search through Schoology. So when I'm in an environment, in an assignment where I'm being asked to upload content, when I go into my resources I can choose Google and then select my Google file so you can upload from Google. I hope that helps.